Oh, we should have come out during the flood.
I told you, Jared, to stay on the gravel.
Watch how a professional handles the situation.
Yeah, you keep turning and rocking. Oh, crap. Hit. Keep rock, back and forth, back and forth. Oh, we just go back only because I think we're stuck forward for sure.
Oh, our tires are really stuck.
There you go. There we go.
You're watching professional work here.
Yay. Head uphill. Back, yeah, keep going. And there's the remnants of what we were stuck in.
Woo! That's professional work right there.
That also lets you know how muddy it is. Be careful. That's my old family marquee that I love. Oops, sorry. Ooh. Jared, be careful.
I can't control myself.
Jared, be careful.
I feel like a hero now. I have to go fast.
Jared. Let's get the mail now.
I did that.
Jared, will you go a little slower? I'm stressing.
I'm cool.
I'm not. Watch out, babe. Oh. Oh, we survived it.